Alright, dames en here, vandag gaan ons bietjie gesels en die van julle wat dit nog nie weet nie, those of you that don't know it, Elroy, we've got a TV at Talfius. We call it the Roar television. Can you roar? Roar, laat ek hoor. Kyk, hy is soos 'n T-Rex roar. Kyk, Elroy. Ja, dis mooi. Hy's 'n T-Rex, nee, hy's 'n T-Rex. Alright, dames en here, so ons gaan bietjie met ons graad eentjies vandag gesels en ons gaan bietjie hoor our grade ones, what do they think of different things that's happening in our school? Gabriella, ons gaan bietjie by jou begin vandag, né? So die eerste vraag wat ek vir jou gaan wil vra vandag is, as jou skoene kon praat, wat dink jy sou hulle vir jou gesê het? Wat dink jy? Wat dink jy? Elroy, help 'n bietjie daar. Praat hard, ons wil jou hoor.
My skoene sê hallo.
Sou jou skoene gesê het hallo? Alright, Elroy.
En hulle sou geloop het.
Sou jou skoene geloop het? Alright, what do you think, girls? If your shoes could talk, what do you think, Isabel, would they say?
About Talfius.
Anything. About Talfius, yes.
I love Talfius so much because it's the best school ever.
Thank you, Isabel. We like that question. Now, Adassa, if you were the principal of the school for one day, what rule would you change?
Playing with grade threes.
Say again?
Playing with grade threes.
Would you like to play with the grade threes?
Yes, so much. And I would
What? Not you. Why not?
Wait, but I have a friend that's in grade three, so
Okay.
I still want to play with grade threes.
Okay, that's a good rule. Gabriella, jy het mooi maniere, ja.
As ek die skool se principal is, sal ek slip and slides en goeders bring.
Sal jy slip and slides bring? Ek hou van jou idee. Moet ons dit weer doen? Ons doen dit daarom 2 keer 'n jaar, né? Nee?
Ja.
Yes, Joy.
If Ashu can talk, I'll just say you should stop talking because you talk a lot.
Is it? Would you tell her? That's good.
Say that. Me too.
Would you also say that? Leroy, Elroy?
As ek principal was, ek sal baie pools gekry en laat die hele skool altyd slip and slides gehad.
Ook altyd slip and slide. Wag, Gabriella, kom ons gaan gou aan, hè. Elroy, ek wil hê jy moet vir my hierdie antwoord, né? Okay. Sê nou, jy maak jou voordeur oop môreoggend by die huis en daar staan 'n olifant. Wat gaan jy vir die olifant sê?
Die olifant se slurp trek.
Gaan jy die olifant se slurp trek? Girls, wait. If you open the door tomorrow morning at your home, né? And there's an elephant standing at your front door. What would you do?
I'll just fight it.
Will you fight the elephant?
Yes.
Oh, Isabel?
I'll just kick it.
You're gonna kick the elephant. Are you not scared of the elephant?
Just kidding. I'll just give it food.
You'll give it food. What type of food do elephants eat?
Banana.
A banana. Wat dink jy, Elroy? Elroy? Blare. Gaan ons vir die olifant blare. Elroy, kom ons hoor gou. Elroy, as jy 'n superpower kon gehad het, wat dink jy sou dit gewees het? So if you would have a superpower like Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, what would it be? Wag, eers Elroy.
It's all turn into a huge watermelon.
A huge watermelon. Will that be your superpower?
Ek sal geëet het dan soos hierdie.
Okay, Gabriella, I'm going to give you a chance now.
Ek sal sweeties.
Sweeties.
Ja.
Gaan jou superpower sweeties wees?
Nee. Ice power.
Ice power. Gaan jy ys skiet?
Please.
Okay, let's give Joy a chance.
I'll just be saving the world for everyone.
You'll save the world. So that's a good superpower. I like that one. Isabel, Isabel.
Same as John.
The same as Joy. You want to save the world. That's good. Adassa?
And defeat I want to have fire powers and flying powers.
Fire powers and flying powers. That sounds good.
Om al die dragons in die hele wêreld te tel en al hulle powers te.
Hey, wag Elroy, hoor jy gou hierso. Sê nou maar jy word môreoggend wakker, né? And you change into a small little ant, what would you do?
Ek sal 'n muurnes vir my gaan bou.
Ga jy vir jou muurnes bou? Ek hou daarvan, jy kan gaan werk, dit klink soos 'n plan.
En ek sal ander mure probeer opsit.
Gaan jy die mure opeet?
Ek sal probeer.
Okay.
Just that I will just call somebody to help me down there.
Down from the bed.
Ek gaan 'n rooi muur lees en 'n leeu eet.
'n Rooi muur 'n leeu eet. Okay. So, wag, jy kan nou vir my sê nou maar, you can create your new flavor of ice cream. You can create a new flavor of ice cream, né? What would that be? Elroy?
Rainbow.
Rainbow ice cream.
As ek in so 'n ant gedoen het,
Ja.
ek sal 'n ommie gemaak het en met sy ommie gewees het en daai ommie met hom gewees het en dan ons sal ewen 'n mens dinosaur opeet.
Okay.
Even 'n T-Rex.
Even 'n T-Rex opeet. Yes.
With the ice cream one, I want chocolate mixed with all the other flavors.
Chocolate with all the other flavors. Yes, Isabel?
I love chocolate and raspberry.
Chocolate and raspberry. So you don't get chocolate and raspberry right now. Do you get it?
Chocolate.
Joy? Wag net gou Elroy. Vanilla. You like vanilla? Okay. Sit gou julle, sit gou. Alright. So hier is nou die laaste vraagie wat ek vir julle wil vra. Maar as jy if you could build a robot to help you with anything at school, né? So what would that robot do for you? Yes?
It's gonna do because my grandma sits out of doing all this stuff, so I'll just give it to my grandma and my grandma just has to basically.
Okay, so your grandma doesn't have to do everything. Elroy?
Hy sê alles my gedoen het my huiswerk en my skoolwerk.
Jou huiswerk en jou skoolwerk. Jep, ek dink daai is 'n goeie idee. Joy?
So that robot can help me with my homework.
So you want the robot to do all your homework?
Yes.
Okay, Isabel?
I'm gonna let it do all of my tests, and we're gonna call it like robot, please do my test.
What will your robot's name be?
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Mine is going to be
Gabriella? All right, Gabriella.
Ek sal 'n robot arm hê want dan kan ek mooi werk.
Dan kan hy vir jou werk doen. Okay, haal gou die handjies af. Nou is dit regtig die laaste vraag, né? Elroy, yes, Elroy.
Juffrou?
Ja.
Juffrou?
Ja.
As ek 'n robot gehad,
Ja.
ek sal hy pranks gedoen het aan prisoners.
Pranks op prisoners. Okay, dis interessant.
Jou help die vuur nie spreek nie en alles wat gebeur by die skool.
Okay. Dames en here, die laaste vraag wat ons vir hulle nou gaan vra is the last question that we would like to ask them is they need to explain to us why Taalfees is the best school en hoekom is Taalfees vir hulle die beste skool. Maar wou sit julle. Each and everyone will get a chance to do it. So we're going to start here with Joy. So haal gou julle handjies af. Julle gaan 'n beurt kry. Joy, why is Taalfees the best school for you?
It's because we have fun stuff and lots of work and we like it.
All right, that's a good answer. Let's do one Afrikaans. Gabriella, hoekom is Taalfees vir jou lekker?
Want ek lief vir Taalfees.
Isabel?
I like that for you because we get new uniforms and new clothes there. But sometimes you get homework and tests and work. But I love work.
And you like your new dresses. That's a good one.
I can
Good
make
one.
this
Elroy, jou rede?
Ek het sê dis die meneer Tennie in die skool is die beste.
Okay, dankie Elroy. Ek gaan vir jou Marita gee vir daai antwoord, hoor. En dis die beste skool. Yes, Adassa?
I love Taalfees a lot because it's really fun and also it's a nice Christian school and also that we have a nice principal.
Thank you, Adassa. Elroy?
Ek like Taalfees want ek like alles, even meneer.
You like alles. Cool skool. En julle almal skree vir die leeu's, is ek reg, nee? Lions, skree leeu's. Ja, mooi. Alright, dames en here, dankie vir julle tyd. Maar ons gaan afsluit, dan gaan ons 'n liedjie vir Joy sing, né? We're going to sing the Joy song. Huh? Joy, we're going to sing it. Alright, sing and dance. We're going to do it. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
I like joy, joy, joy,
Right.